Hello, I want to read more about the Fenrir, the dark wolf. So I have familiarity with Jormungand. So Jormungand was the monster in the Norse myth killed by Thor with a hammer. Yeah. So if Jormungand is similar thing to the black wolf, no. Further, I read that the Fenrir poses a threat to the cosmic order. Yeah, definitely something. Then a little bit lower, I read this interesting phrase. Again, Fenrir threatening the cosmic stability. But here then we come to the twin tails of the Milky Way, appearing as the two rivers of saliva which flowed from Fenrir's mouth. Whoa, the twin tails of the Milky Way. And the Milky Way encircles the Earth. Whoa, that is the Midgard serpent. And when the Midgard serpent bites its own tail, that is earthquakes for 40 days. I found that in the myths, yeah. And these 40 days, I have no doubt anymore that this is representing the Advent period before Christmas, so the 4 weeks before Christmas. The same as 40 days not eating for Muslims, and the same as 40 days before Easter in Christianity, 4 weeks, 40 days not eating candy, not allowed to eat candy, and every Friday in these 4 weeks you do not eat meat. Yeah. So I think that represents the 40 days of earthquakes, yeah. Then here they write, they would observe the Polaris star, which they knew as Kinos Ura, the dog's tail. So here it's the dog's tail, but Ura, that can only mean like Ouroboros. So this is one half Ura, and then Buros. I did not came across Buros yet, but maybe later. But yeah, that is probably the Midgard serpent. Then Polaris star would be one end. Yeah. Then here lower, that is even more crazy. Fenrir corresponds to the planet of Mercury, and sitting, as he does opposite the feminine sphere of Venus, Fenrir is the embodiment of the pure masculine force in the cosmos. So remember, it was a threat to the cosmic order. So this is the all-pervasive, unrestrained force which operates as a function of the polarity of the cosmos. Whoa. And now I remember something even more interesting. This year is the year of the fire monkey in Chinese horoscope. Monkey year is every 12 years, but each monkey has an additional element, 5 elements, earth and fire and 3 others. So this year is fire monkey. I already thought that was the most fearful name of all the zodiacs, but monkey year is every 12 years, so fire monkey year is every 60 years. So because that is such a fearful name, I thought, let's have a look at the earthquakes 60 years ago. Yeah. So that is 1956. Here are the earthquakes in Wikipedia. There are 4. So let's have a look at the planetary, how do you say that? The constellations, yeah, on that day. Yeah, here we have 16 March 1956. See, Venus, Sun, Mercury. Yeah. Uranus too, I thought. Yeah. Can we see the constellation? Capricornus. Yeah. Which is one of the 2 gates of heavens. So this one, Mercury, Sun, Venus, was exactly on the day of this first earthquake. Maybe have a look at the others. That is 16 July and 21 July. Very close to each other. So let's go to 16 and 21 July. That is here. 16 July. June, July. 16. Oh, I see Venus, Sun, Mercury. Let's have a look a little bit closer. And the other date was, that's not really a straight alignment. The other day was 21st July. Let's go to 21st. Oh, that looks better already. Not too far. 22. Oh, okay. 21st of July. Again, we have Venus, Sun, Mercury, but here we even have Mars. Again, Capricornus. Yeah. Date 21 July 1956. See? I don't know for October 24, so let's have a look. October, August, September, October 24, I said. What's this? Oh, you see, it does not always have to be Venus, Sun, Mercury, but of course there are still other types of alignments. Yeah. This year is Fire Monkey, so let's have a look for the planetary alignments if you can find Venus, Sun, Mercury in 2016. The first date here is 29 April. Mercury, Sun, Venus, Uranus in Pisces. 5 days before is full moon. So I don't know if there is not really something special at first sight. So let's have a look a little bit further. There we go again. Yes. Not too far already. Yes. This one. Mercury, Sun, Venus, and Saturn. Perfectly aligned in Ophiuchus. And Ophiuchus, that is the 13th zodiac. The 13th zodiac, yeah? I cannot explain so good, but they added this one just like a leap year, you know. I cannot explain, but that's what it is, you know. So this alignment, yeah, I think that's the day to watch for. And yeah, I think that will be earthquakes guaranteed on this day, because we have also this square alignment. We also have Earth, new moon, Sun and Jupiter. So, yep, do not forget about this date. And also 8 March, 7 March, of course. So difficult. 7 March, sun eclipse. A few days before that, an asteroid flyby. I think that is also a nice alignment. Pluto, Venus, Mercury, Sun, and then Sun, Moon, Earth, Jupiter in the V shape. And sun eclipse, from which they say that the power of the moon decreases when there is a sun eclipse. I'm curious, very curious, yeah. Hey, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.